Hey guys, this is Ann from Fisher Cooking Creations and I'm back with another video. This one is on shrimp Alfredo. I use linguine for this recipe, but you can pretty much use any type of pasta you want. You're going to boil it and add a little bit of oil and cook it till it's soft. Now we're going to start on our cheese sauce. We're going to add a little bit of butter and some half and half milk. Organic is what I'm using. I'm going to add in that pot. We're going to put a little bit of Creole seasoning in there. Add a little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of onion powder. Some low sodium soy sauce. Some mozzarella cheese. I'm using 2 packs of this cheese just to make it real cheesy. Alright, so now we're going to start on our shrimp. Add a little bit of butter to another pot, and we're going to add the peeled, washed, and deveined shrimp that I soaked in some vinegar just to get the fishy taste out of it, and some water. You're going to add the soy sauce, some garlic and onion powder. Put a little bit of parsley in there as well. We're also going to add a little bit of Creole seasoning. And then I'm going to use some frozen vegetables to add for flavor. It's onions and bell peppers. You can use fresh if you have time to cut it up. You're going to cover it and you're going to cook it on medium heat for a few minutes. And it's done. So now let's go back to our cheese sauce. We're going to keep stirring it so it doesn't get lumpy. And we're going to make a flour mixture to thicken it. So you're going to add some flour and water and stir it. Make sure you use cold water. Don't use hot water, it will get lumpy. And now we're going to add that flour mixture with the water into the cheese sauce to thicken it. We're going to stir it as we're pouring it so it doesn't get lumpy. Now we're going to add the shrimp. And I'm going to put a little bit of the sauce that I cooked the shrimp in, just to add flavor. You're not going to want to use all of it because then it's going to make it real watery. Stir it up a little bit. We're going to add a little bit more of the flour mixture to thicken it just a little bit more. And you can add this until it gets as thick as you want it. Look how nice and creamy that looks. Now we're going to add the linguine. Just kind of mix it up. You don't want to add too much noodles or it's going to be dry. You want enough sauce on it. And I think it's done, y'all. Just keep kind of stirring it until it gets fully covered in the sauce. And that's it. Your shrimp Alfredo, nice and creamy and cheesy. And that's it, y'all. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like and follow. See more great stuff coming. Thanks again. Have an awesome day. So now back to the cheese sauce making. You're going to keep stirring it just so that the cheese stays nice and smooth. It doesn't get lumpy. And we're going to start on making our flour mixture just to thicken the Alfredo sauce. It's going to add some cold water to it. Cool or cold water is fine as long as you're not using warm or hot water so it lumps up. And then you're going to add it to the cheese mixture while you're stirring so it doesn't get lumpy, and it's going to thicken it.